Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Phantom price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, impulse towards the upside, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. After this, we are looking here at kind of a WXY, finishing potentially 3 corrective waves. After this, in your bullish scenario, you would like to see, of course, higher prices as a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Now, as we can see, this 1-2 is still potentially unfolding towards the upside, where we have finished 1, 2, 3, and now we are currently bottoming at a wave 4 and potentially moving higher, of course, for a wave 5. If we take a closer look here, you can see that we have reached the 0.38 fib level for a wave 4, which is perfect without interfering, of course, with your wave 1, which is a perfect. Actually, we are very close to interfere with the wave 1, but we did not yet. So preferably that we still continue towards the upside. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that this rally here has started, of course, kind of an impulsive wave towards the upside. It would be nice to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1, and then 3 corrective wave, and then continuation towards the upside, breaking this upper wave 1, and as a confirmation, of course, moving for higher prices for an impulsive wave, of course, towards the upside. This is, of course, your bullish scenario. Now back to the daily. If we are in a bearish scenario, where of course you still are corrective here and you did not finish yet a correction, that means, of course, you might have finished 3 waves here as W, and you're looking here at 3 waves for an X in the yellow, and also another structure or an impulse toward the downside, probably for a wave Y to reach the 1-to-1 fib level. This is, of course, your bearish scenario. And for this bearish scenario, if you would like to see it unfolding, you would like to take, of course, the low. And that means the low, by all means, of course, taking this low or at least interfering with the wave 1. So if the price action continue to drop down and interfere with this wave 1, therefore this impulse will be invalidated as, of course, as bearish scenario. And probably if you reach again this wave 1 here, and that is, of course, a bigger confirmation that you are in bearish scenario. So I would call here a 90% bearish scenario. And of course, if you dive deeper even, without getting, like, if potentially we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here potentially, but I don't see it yet, but probably it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for your wave 3, and then 4, 5 in case. So if in case you are 1, 2, you would like to hit, of course, as a final chance for bullish here is the wave 2 fib levels. So those are your last fib levels for, of course, here in the green box. If you break the 0.618 here, that means, of course, definitely you are in bearish scenario. You're gonna take the 886 probably, and when taking the 886, you're gonna take the low definitely. And by taking the low, it doesn't mean that you're gonna reverse. It means that you're diving even deeper with our bearish scenario as WXY for a wave Y. And in that way, of course, you might finish a bigger impulse here where you have finished, of course, 1, 2, of course, for this wave WXY wave 2, and then start to move towards the upside one more time again for a wave 3 or for a wave C. So basically now the highest possibility is bullish, because as you can see, we need many invalidations until we get to the bearish. So higher possibility is still bullish for Phantom. We're looking for a wave 5 here, potentially to finish 1, 2, and then continuation towards the upside for higher prices as well for Phantom. So that was it for Phantom. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.